I have an earpiece in, I'm wearing makeup, and I have extra microphones. Why is that? I've been doing TV all morning, but I took a break from that to show you the new 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you remember the Santa Fe Sport, it no longer exists. It's now just called the Santa Fe, and the Santa Fe is all new for 2019. It's a 5-passenger mid-size SUV, and there's a lot of interesting things to know about it, starting with the powertrain choices. You'll have a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated engine making 185 horsepower, a 2-liter turbocharged engine making 235 horsepower, and a 2.2-liter diesel engine making 190 horsepower. They haven't revealed fuel economy figures yet, but I'm guessing that diesel is going to be pretty darn efficient. Regardless of engine, the Hyundai Santa Fe includes across the board an 8-speed automatic transmission. The interior of the 2019 Santa Fe I would describe as premium-ish. Some really interesting textures. I don't know what you call this, but I think I like it. And then also the grille covering the speaker has this nice undulating quality. Some really neat details, and of course stitching, because you got to have stitching to make it look like a premium product. Let's see if I fit. Okay, ideal driving position. Great headroom, nice spot to put arms. And then, like all auto show demonstrations, let's see if I can sit behind my ideal seating position. Wow, actually, yeah. I could lounge here. In fact, after I'm done with all my TV stuff, maybe I will. The Santa Fe is a 5-passenger vehicle. Let's see about the cargo space. That's a ton of cargo space. Interestingly, with the diesel engine, they have an occasional use jump seat back here, but that only comes with the diesel. I have no idea why they would reserve the 7-passenger layout for the diesel engine. I need to talk to a product planner or something. It's an auto show, maybe I can find one. But I'm also lazy. I'm just gonna speculate. I figured it out. You can afford to have more children with all the money you're saving on fuel costs when you drive the diesel. Yeah. Particularly interesting with the Santa Fe is its feature set. On the standard list of features, you'll have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, dynamic cruise control with stop and go abilities, and safe exit assist, which is a really neat technology where the Santa Fe can detect if a vehicle is coming up beside you from behind, and it will prevent you from opening your door and having your door taken off, or worse. I didn't even know that was technology that existed, and it is standard on the Santa Fe. Cool. One more feature that you might want to spend a little bit of money on is rear occupant alert. Let's say you've got a loved one or a coworker in the back seat, and then you close and lock the door. If you leave them there, abandoned, alone, and afraid, there's an ultrasonic sensor that will detect that fact, honk the horn, and even alert your smartphone, letting you know, hey, I should probably let Lynn out of the car. Lynn, you can come out of the car now. Oh, huh, it's almost like the car didn't want her to get out. Huh. Well, that's not right. We got one of them demon cars I've heard so much about. You can't really?
I can't get out.
That was weird.
Right?
I'm sorry you got trapped in the back of a Hyundai Santa Fe demon car.
It's okay, it's very comfortable back there.
Oh, if you're going to be trapped in a car, yeah, the recline is nice. It's good. The all-new 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe goes on sale in the summer of 2018. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm late for my TV interview. Ah!